From the creators of the Tiny One comes the TinyMOS Nano One, the world's tiniest astronomy camera that captures images that are out of this world. Imagine the light from a billion stars captured in the palm of your hand, or the moon, up close and personal.
In 2016, we introduced the Tiny One, the world's smallest astronomy camera to let you capture the beauty of the night sky. The Tiny One captured the imagination of the world and brought astrophotography to everyone. This year, we are releasing the Nano One, the world's smallest astronomy camera made smaller. The Nano One builds on the best part of the Tiny One camera to let you capture the beauty of the night sky in a small and compact form factor.
We put in an augmented reality star map to guide you across the stars and galaxies. Automatic capture presets let you capture the beauty of the night skies effortlessly.
Wireless capture and share allows you to share your images on social media seamlessly.
The Nano One uses patented noise reduction technologies, and our dual lens mount system allows you to use smaller M12 lenses for portability and professional C-mount lenses.
Imagine a world where there's no trace of man's dust or dirt filling the night skies, where we could lose ourselves looking up at the galaxy instead of looking down at a screen, where we wake up from the imitation of reality, no longer just watching the galaxy boxed in four corners, or featuring soap bubbles as imaginary planets, or even just doodling your imagination as a child. Capture the beauty of the night skies. The Nano One, bringing you closer to the night skies.
Support us to bring the astronomy experience to everyone.
Freedom is what we're born to look for.
Hi guys, my name is Johnson and I'm a partner here at Remotech. We created OpsLawTail with our series of patent technologies which are first time to be seen in the world. It opens up a new category in the imaging industry and allows anyone to be their own director without asking for help from anyone else or holding the camera and fixing the angles all the time. We believe cameras with new functions and forms will become an essential part in our daily self-expressing and communication. We're very excited for the possibility of revolutionizing the way how we record and make videos, as well as the way how we socialize. Our philosophy here at OpsLaw is simple: to empower both amateurs and professionals to truly write on their creativity via visual format in a simpler and ultra-light way, and and to record life and the world around, to share and open dialogues across boundaries. Now, you don't need a bulky and complicated DSLR anymore. Also, unlike mobile phones and action cameras, OpenSpotTail is a smart, intuitive, powerful, and hand-free tool for anyone to be their own director. We hope you find it as seamless and powerful as we do. After 2 years of development of this product, we really hope you can support us and bring this fantastic product into your life.
Whether you have an iPhone X or iPhone XS, Auti creates new possibilities for fun and high-quality photography. There are 3 different types of double, macro, telephoto, and fisheye, telephoto and wide-angle lenses to meet your different shooting needs. This is Auti Lens Case. Makes your fun moments more special. The 186-degree fisheye and 2x telephoto lenses allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Use the 10x macro lens and 20x super macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. Capture more and extend the range of your iPhone's camera with the 120 wide-angle and 2x telephoto lens. Telephoto to help take photos of objects from far distance without you having to get too close to your subject. The aluminum alloy case perfectly protects the lens set and makes outdoor shooting more secure. It is easy to use and can be opened or closed with just one touch. The different functions of the 3 groups of lenses can be switched at any time, easily. There are even extra functions for lens case. The case has an e-card holder, convenient to putting cards in daily life. Additionally, there is a pressure-activated support that lets you watch videos easily. It is stylish additions to your active lifestyle. The soft cases are made of high-quality leather with only 27 grams, surrounding your iPhone with a protective and comfortable cushion.